Hey, I wanted to take you on a quick trip to Hobby Lobby to see some of their furniture. For some reason, all of it is on sale right now. So they have these benches right here. Thought they were super nice, and they had a few of those at my Hobby Lobby. These little side tables. These came in different sizes too. You'll see them in a second. They have little desks. Well, at least I think this is a desk or a really big side table. You can use it either way. It was on sale for $140 for that one. They have just a ton of different things. So like I said, every piece of furniture at my Hobby Lobby right now was on sale. So it was like 30% off. So if you are looking for some furniture, you might want to head over to Hobby Lobby, and you can see those tables. They are different sizes. You can see it comes in a bigger size, and then it comes in a slightly smaller size. You can do something cute with that. Kids furniture, so they had this cute little kids rocking chair right here. They have cute little sofas, just a bunch of different things, and again, like I say, all on sale for 30% off right now. So if you are looking for some furniture, indoor, outdoor, Hobby Lobby has their furniture on sale right now for 30% off. These tables kind of like kid-size tables, but they might be for like a low sofa or something like that. But they had those side tables. Like I said, the kids furniture. This piece right here, a lot of different shelves to it. So 175 for that with 30% off. Just so many different things. But you have to check and make sure, because you can see that one looks kind of dirty. I don't know if it's just the way the fabric was, but it looked kind of dirty on that one. This little piece right here, and you'll see it again. The wood piece folds up, so you can use it like a desk, or you can just fold it up. Just a lot of different things. This piece right here on sale for $119, and you can see that again later on. This I just thought was cute. It wasn't the furniture, but it was like a cooler, and it kind of had that retro vibe, and then it was like lightweight, kind of like a foam. Thought those were cute, and they had those in different colors. There goes those shelves right there, just a better view of them. All of this outdoor seating, I didn't see tags on this, but it had like a table too that went with it. This, a great office chair right here, and that pretty blue that they had there. And they had a lot of those at my Hobby Lobby. So like I said, get on down there and get some of this 30% off furniture before this going. This cute little kids table set right here. I'm thinking it's the whole set. So you get the table and the because it was 126. So it has to be the whole set. um a ton of these chairs right here. These are good little lounge chairs. You can get real cozy in those. Those didn't have a tag either. This is another look at that pretty mint piece right there, and you've seen that it folds down so you can use it like a desk. These pieces towards the front, though, they were kind of like, they were like defective. So this one, it said 160, but the third drawer was off. You could probably just pop that back on, but the third drawer was off on that one. And then this piece right here, another good one, but it was again defective. The other pieces seemed just fine, but these pieces at the front had a little issue. You can see that tray right there is kind of knocked off. This one I couldn't tell what the issue was, so maybe not all of them at the front had an issue, but this one was $60, and you can put a lot of stuff there. This one didn't have a tag. I thought that was nice, but I'm assuming it's 30% off too. This piece right here, this would be great like in a kitchen or for a bar or a drink station or something like that. Thought that was nice. So again, if you're looking for some furniture, you might want to head over to Hobby Lobby and catch that 30% off sale.